What are you doing?
I'm doing a speed dating event for Kevin and Brooke because basically they're a pleasure arena and now we have time to date. That's insane. I worked my ass off yesterday. In 24 hours, we got all these people, all those men we screened, and she's not here. These celebrities, they're always late. In this case, Farrah is no exception. Kevin, I'm so excited you're here. We have a huge problem. Farrah's not here yet. I really don't like working with Hollywood like this because they're on their own timetable, and I never ever do this. Welcome to my life. I'm